Craig and Chantal. We moved from Whangarei to Auckland just yesterday.
In the last few weeks before we moved, we used all of our food in our fridge and freezer. We only have sauces and a bit of cool drink left, so we decided to go do a grocery shop today, and we went to PaknSave.
But Craig is only starting work next week, so we got 1 or 2 extra treats. So this isn't our normal grocery shop, but we thought we'd show you what we could get for $150. Let's go. Should we start with the cheapest thing, which is the bread?
This is the bread we got. It is $1.20. It's probably the cheapest bread you can get here in New Zealand. I only sell it at PaknSave.
We also got some rolls, 6 rolls for $3. We decided not to eat chips anymore, but this week is a bit different, and we got 3 bags of chips. Or as New Zealanders say, chippies.
We also got Woodland free-range eggs. There's 10 in this box.
$8.50. It's always hard to buy toilet paper because they have such a wide range. Some of them are smaller rolls. Then they also have these huge ones, but nothing like what we used to.
So we decided to go with the bigger rolls. It is 3-ply, 270 sheets on a roll.
$8.99 for 8 rolls. We walked past the crackers and I saw beetroot crackers. I've never tried them before. Looking for alternatives to eating so much chips. $2.89 for this. So as you go into PaknSave, the first thing you see are some of the specials that they're running, and then you go into the fruit and veg. The one here is the same setup as the one in Whangarei. So we thought we'd get some healthy stuff too for this week, for lunches. We have this bag of salad leaves. This was $3.80, something like that.
We also got a mix of hams. So we got some salami, which was $4.58, and just some shaved ham, which was $4.04.
If you've seen many of our videos, you know we always talk about the high cost of tomatoes. We got 2 tomatoes, $7.50 per kg, and these 2 came to $1.87.
And then we do like a lot of cheese, so we usually buy the big 1 kg blocks of cheese. It came to $9.99 for a whole kg.
It lasts us quite a while.
Yeah.
Probably for the month, I'd say. We also got 1 lemon. They are $5.99 per kg, so 1 lemon came to 75 cents. Because we have a really nice balcony with a nice view, and our friends gave us beautiful G&T glasses, I decided that this afternoon I wanted some G&Ts on that balcony. With that, some limes. I got 2 limes. They were $9.99 per kg. $1.40 for these 2. Wow. Speaking of G&T, tonic water.
It was like $1.80 or something per bottle. So then I like to get a bit of fruit because I like making some banana and kiwi smoothies for breakfast. We got 4 bananas. It's about $3.29 per kg, so we paid $2.24 for these 4. Kiwis were $2.99 a kg, so we paid $1.20 for these 3.
Craig likes his smoothies for breakfast, and I like my muesli.
Smoothie muesli.
Smoothie muesli. Hey, you should put muesli in your smoothie.
I do.
That's why my muesli finishes so quickly. Pams is probably one of the most affordable brands in New Zealand, and we have been buying Pams products since day 1. I looked at muesli today in the aisles, and they had all the expensive ones, and then right on the corner was a 650 gram muesli bag for $4.50. All the others were like $7, and they were smaller bags. So.
And also for breakfast, I do like a bit of marmalade on toast. So I got Pam's grapefruit breakfast marmalade. It cost $2.59.
With breakfast comes coffee. I really like this pink pack. Craig bought it once before, and I just remembered I like the pink pack. So the Avalanche brand, $5.50 for 200 grams.
This is probably my go-to fruit juice. It's an apple, orange and mango. It is $4.50.
Mine is 50 cents because it was on promotion.
Yeah.
It was only $3.99.
And it's 3 liters.
We don't normally get this, but chocolate milk is so good. 1.5 liters of chocolate milk. That's $4.99.
Yeah, so we always like our steak. We got 2 pieces of sirloin there. It costs $8.52, $21 a kg. So we'll probably turn this into a stir fry or a steak sandwich.
We sold the braai, so we cannot have any more barbecues in the near future. We hope to get a gas braai.
And then we also like our lamb, and that was $15.99 a kg, and it came to $9.95 for 4 decent sized lamb chops.
They're decent size.
Something we buy a lot of is chicken. Chicken is really well priced here. This was $4.99 a kg,
Wow.
10 to 15 pieces, and it's $8.67.
Oh, best for last. We love aioli.
Yeah.
Oh.
Garlic aioli by Heinz.
This was about $8 though.
It's not cheap.
We normally buy it if it's on special, but the PaknSave isn't too close to us. So if we shop there, it will be once in a while. We quickly went via the bottle store to get a bottle of gin, and whew.
But this is not part of the $150.
No, okay, this is a bonus extra that you probably don't want to know the price. But we're gonna tell you because we're like, oh, we'll savor this bottle of gin because it was
$46.
$46. This is gonna have to last. We are used to paying like 120 Rand for a bottle of gin, but then you can get the pink gin and flavor gin and everything in South Africa. That was our shop. Like we said, it's not the norm. We also didn't get any cleaning products because we still have quite a bit, and the previous tenant left some cleaning products too, like washing powder and stuff, so that helps a lot. But this is our 1 week holiday shop. If there's anything else you would like for us to show you, or if you have any questions about life in New Zealand or prices about anything, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this,
And we'll see you
in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. How much was that? We'll make this one last.
At least till next week.
Oh. We got not one,
No, two.
but two. What's this brand? Primo.
It says good Kiwi vibes, so that's why we like it.
Yeah. But I want 2 chops tonight.
2 chops?
I want 2 chops tonight.
1 chop.